Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video about a couple of updates that went live yesterday. And the first one has to do with transaction date templates. I'm on a transaction right now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Dates tab. And when you click Use Template, historically speaking, when you clicked that link, you were only able to really view one template at a time. Now we have the ability, just like the task templates work, where you can essentially stack them. You can select more than one template at a time, and you can either apply those immediately from this screen, or you can click Review and view the traditional review screen that you've seen in the past, where you can edit these dates and then, of course, click Apply. This screen combines all of the entries from all of the templates that we just selected. So when I click Apply, obviously they all get applied there. Additionally, we have added a couple of more options for all-day events in regards to reminders. So in the past, before the update, when you clicked an all-day event, you had the option to remind yourself the morning of, but you didn't have these day interval options. It went straight to at the start, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, which really didn't make a lot of sense for an all-day event. So now if your event is an all-day, you'll have the option to do 1, 2, 3, up to 7 days before at 9 a.m. in the morning. Now, of course, if you uncheck all day, those options disappear, and then this reminder setting will be based off whatever time you've entered for the actual date. So hope that helps some of you. Additionally, we have added a new merge field code. It's called basically it's first names plural. So for example, on this transaction, we actually have multiple sellers. And so if I go to create an email, and you can, of course, change the templates as well, but this just makes it easier for demonstration purposes. If I enter seller first names plural, you'll see it combines all three first names for this particular transaction. So this may help several of you in your templates if you use first names somewhere. And then last but not least, we have made some changes to the client portal just slightly. And some of this is a bit of a clarification, but when a client, or really this is a buyer or seller portal. So when a buyer or seller clicks transaction details, they do have the option to subscribe to a calendar. And this calendar, by the way, is actually not just good for this transaction, but every transaction this particular contact, John and Jane Doe, are a part of in the future. So John and Jane Doe would need to set up this calendar once. And then if this transaction, of course, sells or terminates or what have you, if you set up future transactions for this contact, those dates will automatically appear in those calendars as you add information. You'll also notice now that when you click subscribe to calendar, it takes them to a page that better describes what the calendar feed is, how it works, and also gives specific instructions depending on the platform that they use. So Google Calendars, Microsoft, Apple, etc. So we think this will help just the general workflow from your clients, your buyers and sellers, if they want to, in fact, subscribe to a calendar feed. Okay, I hope these updates are helpful to many of you. We appreciate the feedback, and we are working to implement many more updates as quickly as we can. As always, if you need help, reach out to us at support@aframesoftware.com. Thanks.